Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Hello, good morning, my beautiful and amazing people. How are you all doing? It's your favorite baby girl in the building. Yes, I went for weekend, and this morning here, I want to be cooking with firewood. I want to cook spaghetti with firewood. And it has been long. I used firewood since I left village. It has been years I left village. I've not tried cooking with firewood. So guys, I've been fighting with this firewood to make it catch fire since, but it's not working. I want to finish my mother crazy no. I don't know how to do this again. Okay. Let me see if this one will work. This is making it second time. Second times now. Before I finish my mother crazy. Let's try. Let me keep trying. This thing is not working out. Is it my fault? Oh, from the firewood. Crazy no magula. Wow, I finally got it. The light is catching now. Maybe the fire is catching. Wow. Let me start cooking now. The fire has catched. So guys, I'm done with parboiling my spaghetti. I want to start frying and cooking. Yes, start frying and cooking my spaghetti. Next, I want to go. Wow, fry. The smoke is too much, oh. You need to see the way tears are rolling down my cheek. Oh, that's been long. Who will eat? If you will eat, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching me. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please subscribe, support my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, please comment, share if possible. Let's show them how to cook with firewood. Village girl cooking. And the fire is catching. So let me add my water. No fish, no meat though. Things are very expensive now. I'm managing myself. Yes. In Nigeria here, things are very expensive now. It's not easy. This spaghetti I'm cooking now, I spent spaghetti is now 2270. Right? I bought 2 plus other ingredients. So let me say all that I spent here plus crayfish. Life of a village girl, village rich girl. This firewood is stubborn. So our stew is boiling. Let me pour my spaghetti. The smoke is too much. Oh, you need to see the way tears. The spaghetti is much. Spaghetti. Now my cheek is really big. You know they have slim and tiny spaghetti. Sorry, they have tiny and big spaghetti. This one is big. eat? If you came back last night and my mom went to farm early morning, I've not even woken up from sleep when she left. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please subscribe. So I want to cook this one and support my channel. And like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment, share if possible. Let's show them how to cook firewood. Village girl cooking. I'm not used to cooking without fish. Just spray it. Come on. This leaf is called scent leaf. I've not used inchangu to cook spaghetti before, but I said let me try it today. Maybe it will give me another taste which I will like. So I added my water, pepper, salt, and 2 cubes of Maggi. No fish, no meat though. These are very expensive now. I'm managing myself. Yes. In Nigeria here, things are very expensive now. It's not easy. This spaghetti I'm cooking now. I spent spaghetti is now 227. I bought other ingredients. Let me say all that I spent here. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. No wine in the house already. Allow me to enjoy myself. 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 Life of a village girl, village rich girl. Hey, the smoke is much. Oh, I found this thing too much. Let me finish it. So I will soon bring it down. Right. I like eating fresh onion. I don't know why. So I used to fry our stew is boiling. Let me pour my spaghetti. So I still keep this one. Or this kind of thing. The spaghetti is much. Choose spaghetti. There was no salt. I added a little bit salt. They have tiny and big time for the last time and bring it down. Thank you for watching me. Please don't forget to back last night like and my mom went to share, subscribe, please. Early morning, I'm not even woken up from sleep when she left. Than never before. Our spaghetti is ready. Yes, I tested it. It's yummy. It's yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Come and join me, guys. Thank you. See you guys in my next video.